In this video tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 8 to 0 in the range of 2, 8, 6, 4, 2 and 0. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. Those alphabet characters are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Along with every alphabet, the space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at the end of 5th iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5. Condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. Print the space characters. We are going to combine two spaces here. Here 4 minus I is going to print 8 space, then 6, then 4, then 2 and 1 space character. Space character appended with alphabet character. Character 69 is the ASCII value of I minus I is going to print E, then D, then C, then B and A appended with single space character. Here I into 2 plus 1 is going to print 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 alphabet characters. To run this file in the terminal, this is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.